And everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also share with everybody so they can also learn also. Thank you. See you in the video.
Everyone, you're welcome to today's video. So in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is that we are going to be installing the OBS NDI plugin the right way. Though the provided way in the what do you call it in their documentation is that you should use a Wingate. You should use the Wingate method. So the Wingate method right here, if you see right here, they are telling you inside their documentation, the MD documentation, you're told to use the Wingate method. Some people don't even know what Wingate is. It's just like a window installer for instead of downloading the DSE by yourself. Is this is going to like manage and install everything. The Wingate is going to manage and install everything. So Wingate is not installed on your PC by default. So some people don't even know what it's all about or what it does. We are not going to be using the Wingate. You're going to be using another method. So the method that I say you're going to be using is they're using the executable file, which is the ASC, for the compile this thing. So if you check OBS right there and click on this access button, you can see right here we don't have a NDI source options there. So you are just going to be installing that and you're going to check it out. So I'm just going to close this OBS. Now I'll be dropping the link to this Explorer GitHub repo inside the description of this video, and also maybe yes, I'm just going to be dropping that. So if you check right here, scroll down, you are going to see release there. You're going to click on the latest instead of clicking on the release. Click on the latest. Here is destroy v 6.2.1. Click on that. You're going to take it to the what they call it, to the release page. So here's the release. What we just need is the asset. So as you can see right here, for Mac OS, this is for Mac OS. I think this also is for something like Mac OS. Now this window, you are installing for Windows. You can download this one, or we get this one, this zip one. This is already zip. You can just download it and unzip it. So we are going for this, but I'm going to be going for this one, this Cherry 6.2.1 Windows i64 installer. Just click on it. It's going to download this one. So it's just like 3.16 MB. So click on download it. Now done. So I'm just going to run it. Run. So okay. We're just going to grant access. Then next, and so on. So we are done installing the destroy instead of using the Wingate method. Now we are done with that. So the next thing said in the documentation on their main GitHub is that you should have NDI runtime installed before this can work. So instead of just looking for the NDI runtime, like searching online to get the perfect working one of this NDI runtime, you can just after installing the destroy v, they will prompt you to install the NDI runtime. But this is how I'm going to install it. You're not just going to search anywhere for the runtime. Just open the OBS. Okay, so you open it. Let's wait for it to load. So right here now, you're going to see this error. This just NDI runtime not found. So instead of just looking for it, you can see that even this link doesn't look like familiar with the one on their website. So what OBS is giving us the direct link to the software. So just click on it and just download it for you. And the access runtime is just 9.2 MB. You click on that, install, run. So but first of all, before I run this, I'm just close this. I'm going to close the OBS software. Then I will install the software runtime concept run. So grant access. So let's wait for it to install. Accept the agreement. Click on next, install. So doesn't take time at all in installing the runtime. I'm also want to move this like see this. You don't need to install NDI2 if you don't really need it. NDI2 doesn't. Let me just click on it here. NDI2. You don't need to install this NDI to the software is like referent NB plus. You don't need to install this if you don't need this what do you call it, these features. If you don't need it, you don't need to install it. All you just need to install is just the distro AV, then the NDI runtime. Now we've installed the runtime. Now let's open OBS again. Now let's just wait to load. So now let's click on add button. You can see now we have the NDI source. Hold on, NDI source. Okay, click on OK. So I don't have any NDI whatever it's service running on my PC right now. It should show here, but because I don't have any NDI software sending out NDI, any software sending out NDI on my PC currently running, so there's no one here, but it's working perfectly. So this is how to install the NDI plugin the right way and the fastest way in OBS. So like I said, I'm going to be dropping the link to this particular tools in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and share with others also so that they can learn from this video. Thank you for watching. Bye. We'll see you in the next video.